My name is Anya, and today I really want to make some caramelized peanut shortbread. This recipe is made with soft shortbread and peanuts that are coated in a homemade caramel sauce. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a bowl with 750 ml of flour, add in 90 ml of custard powder, a pinch of salt, and 190 ml of cornflour. Mix and set aside. In a bowl with 375 grams of butter, add in 300 grams of sugar and mix until light and fluffy. Add in 3 egg yolks, one at a time. Add in your dry ingredients and mix until smooth dough forms. Press your dough out into a prepared baking pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. In a pot over medium heat, add in 135 grams of butter, 150 grams of brown sugar, and 25 ml of syrup. Mix until the butter and sugar have melted. Add in 150 grams of salted peanuts and mix until well combined. Pour your caramel peanut mixture over your shortbread and spread out. Allow to cool completely, about 3 hours. Cut into squares. And enjoy!